Make a great choice today with the 2017 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, one owner, AM/FM stereo with CD player, security system, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know that you're going to be taken care of. 182-point inspections, 12-month 12,000-mile limited warranties, and 7-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranties all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.